Can you know who visited your Telegram profile? Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this video we will see that is it possible to know who visited your Telegram profile. So please watch till the end to properly understand the video. So first I'm gonna open up my Telegram app, and then once I'm on my Telegram app I'm gonna tap on the menu here, and then in my menu I'm gonna tap on settings, and then here in settings I'm gonna tap on privacy and security. Here in privacy there is option to see blocked users, phone number, last seen and online, profile photos and videos, forwarded messages, calls, groups and channel, voice messages. And here in security there is option to see devices, passcode lock, two-step verification, auto delete messages. And then here if I keep scrolling down, here are many options, but there is no option to see who visited my Telegram profile. So it looks like there is you can't see who visited your Telegram profile as of right now. So if Telegram adds the feature to see who visited your Telegram profile, I'll make a video on it. So for now it is not possible to see. So guys, this was it for this video. Thanks for watching.